Welcome, from let me say VIVO Y70, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is on the second or the first page right over here. Battery saver, simply tap on it, turn on, and there we go, we're now in power saving mode. As you can see, it turns everything in this semi-dark mode, and also the battery has a red outline to signify that it is in power saving mode. Now in this mode, things like notifications, background data, and stuff like that will be limited. So applications will be terminated quickly from background activities. Wi-Fi and mobile data will also be terminated after some period of inactivity. So the device basically, whenever it's not being used, after like for instance 5 minutes, just drops it and stops looking for any kind of updates on the internet. So whenever you start interacting with the device again, it's going to automatically reconnect. So if you're not getting any kind of notifications that are associated with internet connection, that is the reason for it. Now that is basically how you would enable it, and to disable it, again, simply tap on the toggle and everything goes back to normal. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.